select the length, let's say 2 meters. It shows you the total length for that tank would be 4,784 millimeters. OK that. Press the download button to download it to the PLC, and the tank's ready to roll. Drie runs op 103. At the bottom here you've got your quick buttons, a quick round, a quick slimline, a quick square, or a quick triangle. Let's do square quickly. I'm going to leave the radius and everything else the same just to save a bit of time. And this is a 1,000-liter tank. And download 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's my second square, and now lastly we're going to do the triangles. Click on quick triangle. So let's say I want this overlap 150 and radius. Let's say I want to make this 2,000 long. That's the, there we go. That's a 2,000-liter tank. This is ideal for domestic tanks where you want to save space, so you shove this into the corner. And download. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, by the way, this radius, it's not a, this 135 is your angle, so 3 times 135, as opposed to a slim which will have a 180 times 2. And that's how easy it is. To program a new tank, select Quick Tank, select Round or Slimline Tank, select your overlap, let's say 100 millimeters, press on the radius button, select your radius, let's say 300,